Good evening, all. Myself, Venkatesh Gundu. I have completed my master's in civil engineering and I have experience of more than 6.5 years in the road and railway engineering. Today, we will learn the civil 3D. First, before learning civil 3D, we will understand what is road and what is the cross section of road. Okay, we will first understand what is highway. Highway is the route or path often developed for the movement of vehicles from one place to another place, also for the pedestrian as well as goods from one place to another place. For example, we consider the village city Nagpur. From Nagpur, we need to develop a road from Nagpur to Goa, right? We will consider now this is a Nagpur city and this is a Goa, right? This is a Nagpur and this is Goa, right? There are many paths to travel from Nagpur to Goa, but we develop economical and fastest route for the traveling the vehicles from Nagpur to Goa. So we develop according to that. Then you can see this is a fastest route. The route is also known as the alignment, right? This is a vehicles movement. This on this road, vehicles will move from Nagpur to Goa or Goa to Nagpur. There are many cities also come uh, in middle of this, like Kolhapur, then Sangli, Solapur. Will other will also come and will travel by this road. Okay, then after understanding the road, we will understanding the cross section of road, right? We'll take the cross section like this. Taking cross section, we will can see in the cross section, it will look like there is a median in between this. At the edge, there is a curve on both sides, and there is a slope of embankment, and you can see there is a drain. Before drain, we provide the berm. You will understand these all the terms in the future upcoming classes. This is a right. This is a drain. There is again berm. Right. Likewise, it will be same to the right hand side also. You can see this middle portion. This is a median. This is a median. After that, this is a left carriageway and this is right carriageway. This is the left carriageway, and this is right carriageway. See, after that, there is a shoulder called as earthen shoulder. You can see it will be on both sides. It is earthen shoulder. After that, it is a side slope and the drain. This is called drain. This portion is called drain. This cross section is in the greenery area known as greenfield area. In the built up area, it will be differ from this. I will show same in the PPT. You can see this is a total cross section of road. In the middle portion, there is a roadway width or a formation width where the road will be constructed. After that, there are two road margins on left side and right side. Then you can see there are three lines. First, road land boundary. Second is a building line. Then control line. See, the meaning of road land boundary is a boundary of road, and the building line is the boundary of buildings. In between the two building lines, there will be no buildings will be constructed. After that, only the buildings will be constructed in the area. Then control line is a line between these two control lines. This the width is called as right of way or ROW. Right, this land will be acquired by specific called NHI or MSRDC, uh, any government body will acquire this land to construct the road. Right. Next, we will see the purpose of road. The main purpose of road is to serve the transportation and facilitating the movement of people as well as goods from one place to another place. Right. Then next, we will understand what are the types of roads, highways. Right. Basically, the roads are classified by their functions as national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road, and village roads. And the most speediest, fastest route is known as expressway. This is also one of the classification of road. According to the material used, the roads are classified as a flexible pavement and rigid pavement. Right, you can see in this picture, this left side one is a flexible pavement and the right side is a rigid pavement. For development of these types of roads, we need the actual levels of the top level of the each layer and the width, carriageway width or roadway width will need for the development of road. As we know that in the flexible pavement, the layers are subgrade, GSB, WMM, DBM, BC. What it is called all this? It is a layers of the flexible pavement. In that, the subgrade is the bottom most part of the flexible pavement, and the sub after subgrade there is a GSB known as granular subbase. It is a second layer from the bottom. Then then next layer will come wet mix macadam WMM. After that there is a prime coat. Then there is a DBM, dense bituminous macadam. Then another layer comes track coat. Then after that, topmost layer is a BC, bituminous concrete, right? Likewise, in the rigid pavement, the bottommost layer is a subgrade. Then after above the subgrade, there is a granular subbase layer known as GSB. Then the DLC layer will come, dry lean concrete. After that, there is a topmost layer in the rigid pavement is a PQC, pavement quality concrete, right? For the development of road, as already said, the for the development of road, we need the levels of the each point. For that, we need to develop the plan and profile. Like you can see, this is a sample plan and profile of 1 kilometer stretch. You can see in the below portion there is a profile and there is a plan above that. You can see there is a blue line. You can see this is a blue line known as FRL, formation road level, where the topmost road layer will be there. Below that, the subsequent layers will be there. First, while construction, we will go with the layers subgrade GSB, WMM, DVM, BC. Likewise, in the design, we will design the topmost layer of the topmost point of the pavement, right? You can see in the plan the red lines between the land between the red lines is known as ROW. You can see there are many structures, utility crossing, LVUP. These structures are provided for the crossing of movement, safe movement of the highway. For the crossings of LVUP, VUP, these are provided for the road crossings, and major B, minor B is also provided for the waterways, waterway crossings. Okay, next we will understand the typical cross section of road in the elite area. You can see this is the topmost original surface, that is existing ground surface, right? We need to develop the road like this. You can see this, it is noted by road base. You need to develop like this. Then we will first of all fill the area by the mass filling, shown by mass filling. This area will be filled first. Then the excavation of this much area will be done, and the subsequent layers such as subgrade, GSB, WMM, DBM, BC will be done. Okay, next we will now move to the Civil 3D interface. We'll understand what are the main components in Civil 3D, how to use, that will learn. Now I will open Civil 3D software. This is a Civil 3D 2025 metric version. You can see after opening the Civil 3D, this following interface will open. Here you can see there is a first C icon known as Civil 3D icon. After clicking Civil 3D icon, the further display will open. In that, there is a first one new called as opening of new drawing. Then next is open existing drawings by clicking on this open. Then this is a drawing conversion. This will be the display before opening the Civil 3D new drawing. You can see in this also there is a open tab and the new tab. By clicking on the new tab, there will be opened the new drawing. Now I will click on the new, it will open the new drawing, right? This is a simple interface of Civil 3D. Here you can see their first home tab, then there insert, annotate, modify, analyze, view, manage, output, survey, rail, transport, infraworks, collaborate, elf, add-ins, express tools, feature, apps, geolocation. This all be useful for the development of the design of the road. Likewise, this there are many functions in Civil 3D, but mostly used function is home function. The maximum functions of Civil 3D design are there in the home function only. Likewise, you can see there is a first tool space. Then the most useful is alignment, then profile, corridor, assembly. This will mostly useful for the design of roads. You can see when I click on the tool space, the vertical tool space bar will be opened, right? If I click, it will off, and if I on, then the vertical tool space bar will open. Here you can see there is a prospector tab, then setting, then survey and toolbox. The most useful functions are there in the prospector only. In the prospector, we will understand what we have done in the design. All the functions are will be given in the prospector only, right? Now the bottommost there is a command bar. You can see this is a type command bar. You can see if you want any command to the Civil 3D, then you will type in this command bar, the Civil 3D open. Like I will open line. I will type line. Right after clicking line, the line will be started. First, specify first point, then second point. You can see there is a line. Likewise, command bar will be used. Then you can see the right top corner there is a icon known as top view icon. It is known as, you can see when you click, it will show the 3D, 2D in the north direction, east direction, west direction, south. It is known as WCS. Right? When you click on the top view will be open. When you click on the southwest direction, then the isometric view will open. Likewise, this will be used. Then next, in the Civil 3D, we will do the some settings first. Before doing any drawings, the settings are most important. First setting is setting the template, right? What template will be used for the Civil 3D design will be set first time in the Civil 3D. That is, I will show how to set the Civil 3D template. Here you click on this C icon, then there is a options, right? In the bottom corner, click on the options, then this will window open. In that files menu, you scroll down, you will know the template setting, right? In the template setting, default template file name for Q new, right? Click the plus icon. You will see there is a attachment already done. Now we'll attach the Civil 3D template. For that, you click browse, then go with the Civil 3D template where you have kept that. This is a Civil 3D template, right? I open Civil 3D template, applied, and OK. This is a simple setting of Civil 3D template, right? After that, we will set the units, right? Click units in the command line, then click OK. Then you can set the drawing units such as length, its type is a decimal, the precision, that is point digits after the point, you can set. Then the units to the scale inserted content, that is the unit, it is meters. Then unit specify the intensity of lighting is international, and the angle type is a decimal degree. Can click OK. This is a setting of units. Then third setting will comes to the setting of geolocation, right? For geolocation, you will go in the setting tab, in the drawing one, click, right click, then it will open edit drawing setting. Click on that. You can see this is a setting, will this setting will open. In that, we already set the units, meters, angular units in degrees. Now we will set the zone where this project is there. According to that, the zones will be set, right? Likewise, in the Maharashtra, there are two zones will come. That is UTM 42 and UTM 43. You can see this is a zones of Maharashtra, zones of India, not Maharashtra. It is overall zones of India. You can see this is a first, this is a Maharashtra location, right? Here you can see the UTM 43 and UTM 44. It will come under Maharashtra zones. Likewise, we will set in the Civil 3D. First, in the categories, you select UTM WGS 84. UTM WGS 84. It is a datum of the India. It is a datum of overall world. After that, select coordinate system code. You can enter UTM 84 43 north. After inserting 43, it will available coordinates will be automatically selected, right? Then apply, click OK. These all settings will be done in Civil 3D. This is a today's class. Thanks everyone. We will stop now. We will continue the next lecture, the surface design, existing surface development in Civil 3D. Okay. Thank you for all. Thanks for watching.